Fuck you!
Can I have your stuff?
That is how you get service in Philadelphia.
Help you?
No thanks.
Okay, what do you have?
Excellent.
Well, about some OJ.
Sorry, squeeze is broken.
Glass of milk.
College dry.
Eggnog.
Just right now.
Cup of coffee.
Oh, we don't have that, son.
You got any ale?
Nope.
Stout?
Nope.
Porter?
Just beer.
That's too bad. How about a Heineken?
Heineken. Try again.
Rolling Rock?
Out of stock.
Schlitz?
Next.
Beck's? Toro?
Tomorrow.
Elstow?
Mighty hot.
Bud? Light?
Just plain Bud is all we got.
No thanks.
Give me a Bud!
Hi, you must be Amanda from Cinder. Sorry I'm late.
Oh, hi, Darnell. It's okay. I expected it. This is such a nice restaurant you took us to. I was expecting a soul food restaurant or something.
Oh, no, I can't eat those kind of places. I have some dietary restrictions.
Oh, sickle cell? Diabetes? What are we watching tonight?
I was thinking Steven Seagal picture.
Right on.
Oh, I hate Seagal.
Oh, come on, haven't you ever seen any of his movies?
I don't know how you two can sit and watch that. He's so fat. How can you not be an action guy? Do you remember anything else?
Oh, let me see. Looks like he has a few illegitimate children. You know what I'm talking about. What? Yeah! Like, he never had a father, and his mom was probably loud and overbearing and smells like fried chicken.
I mean, not to be rude. Oh, not to be rude.
Yeah! Yeah, you know who I'm looking for. He's tall like a basketball player. He's strong like he probably survived the Amistad.
Oh,